Hey everyone! Welcome to the channel. Today I'm going to walk you through building a beautiful, fully functional wedding RSVP website using Wix. And trust me, you don't need to be a web designer to pull this off. By the end of this video, you'll have a wedding website that's ready for your guests to RSVP, and you'll know exactly how to make it personal and stunning with just a few clicks. Let's jump right into it. So, the easiest and most efficient way to get your wedding site up and running is by starting with a Wix template. Templates aren't just about saving time. They're packed with design features and best practices, so you get a solid foundation and plenty of inspiration. Even better, you can tweak and personalize absolutely everything so your site feels uniquely yours. If you've ever flipped through sample invitations to see what styles speak to you, choosing a template is kind of like that, but with way more flexibility. To begin, log into your Wix dashboard. From here, click Create New Site. Wix will ask you what kind of site you want, and you'll see an option to select a studio template. The studio templates are modern, feature-rich, and especially good for events. Don't worry if this part looks overwhelming. Wix does a great job of previewing different designs, so take a moment to scroll through the options. Since we're focusing on wedding RSVPs, type wedding invitation into the search, and you'll see templates tailored precisely for your big day. Pick a template that really resonates with you. Maybe it has the right colors, or you love the way it showcases a happy couple's photo. Remember, this is just your starting point. Once you select your template, Wix will load it up, and you're in the website editor. Now, let's customize it to fit your style and story. Click into the headings to change the names, dates, or add a sweet message. Swap out the images for photos of you and your partner, or even add engagement shots for a personal touch. Editing text is a breeze too. You can write out event details, share location info, and even add thoughtful RSVP instructions, like dinner options or song requests. Don't forget, if you have a favorite font or color palette that matches your wedding invitation suite, bring those in. These tweaks help your site feel consistent and special. If you're feeling adventurous, explore the design tools. Wix makes it easy to move elements around, add animations, or customize buttons so guests know exactly where to RSVP. Take a few moments to preview your changes. Making your site visually clear helps guests feel comfortable interacting with it. As you go, you'll notice helpful tooltips popping up, so just follow along and experiment. And remember, don't stress if something doesn't look right immediately. You can undo changes, and Wix auto-saves your progress so you're never locked in. Once you're satisfied with how everything looks, it's time for the grand finale. Hit the Publish button. This puts your site live on the internet, ready for your guests. Take a second to double-check the live site. This lets you see it exactly as your family and friends will, so you can catch any last details or typos. And that's it. You've now built a wedding RSVP website with Wix, from template to live online. If you found this tutorial helpful, go ahead and give it a like. And if you have any questions about customizing your site or getting creative with RSVP forms, drop a comment below. Be sure to subscribe for more easy modern tutorials. I'm here to help you make every project look amazing. Thanks for watching, and best wishes for your special day.